Fire is power and energy, but in just a fraction of a second, fire can become a devastating force. Fire protection is the primary goal for the safety of civil, industrial, and military installations. The most innovative Italian solution for fire prevention systems comes from a company based in Ancona. In just a couple of decades, the Eusebi Group developed from being a small private company to being the major player in the Italian market, and it is now a top international competitor. The group is made up of 12 companies around the world. The Eusebi Group's establishments, here we say Eusebi Service and Campanella Impianti, also have branches in Russia and in China. Quality, the environment, and technological innovation all combined in an independent operational framework. This is the group's philosophy. Major investment in scientific research and the training of personnel do the rest.
Questo va qua. Questo qui rimane vuoto. Qui c'è un card che lo copre sopra.
Our customers can count on systems that are essentially made to order, perfectly adapted to their particular business activities, their environmental impact, and above all, for the specific local, national, and international regulations for fire prevention systems. So for each and every system, the Eusebi Group prepares exclusive designs that perfectly meet the structural and functional needs of the customer. We can sum it all up in a single word: turnkey. Concept, design, construction, installation, maintenance. We also provide an additional guarantee, which for customers could be the most important: certification. From ISO 9001-2000 for quality to ISO 14001-2004 for the environment, to NOS safety waivers for handling sensitive and military data. This certification is top secret.
Cioè traslà tutte quante le flange rispetto agli ugelli.
Product flexibility, the versatility to meet the needs of each individual customer, is one of the fundamental values of the group. And the other departments in the group are based on this value, starting with, on the absolute cutting edge, research and development. It is a necessary foundation for the future of the company. Other pillars of the company, given the dimensions of the group on national and international levels, are the technical sales and administration departments. to now, we've shown you an overview of the company and its operative strengths. Let's take a close look at a few of the top products made by Eusebi Group for a variety of our customers. From high and low pressure CO2 systems to inert gas and chemical gas systems, as well as sprinkler and foam systems. One of the company's trademarks is the manufacture of wholly contained systems in self-standing cabinets. And then there are the packages. Our pre-assembled systems are shipped on-site to more than 60 countries around the world. Here you see a container pumping station. Before delivery to the end customer, Eusebi technicians inspect all of our products. Here we can see images that the technicians themselves took while at work. This is the latest innovative technology available from the Eusebi Group, the high-pressure EI mist system. It is truly the company's triumph. It is a system with special nozzles that spray extremely small drops of water. It fights fire with a combination of three main effects: cooling action, inerting action, and shielding action. The system can be provided with a pump unit or in self-contained containers and cabinets. The high-pressure pumps operate between 100 and 120 bar. Cabinet systems are made up of nitrogen cylinders at 200 bar and demineralized water cylinders. The EI mist systems are ecological as they minimize the damage caused by the extinguishing agent. They are safe for humans and can be installed in rooms housing delicate instruments like electric panels, CEDs, and transformers. High-pressure EI mist has been tested and certified in the SP labs in Sweden, where the system was subjected to the most stringent and complex tests. The SP technicians filmed these images in Sweden. The system complies with NFPA 750, IMO 913, A800, and IMO/CIR 1165 fire protection standards. Testing was performed according to American FM standards. One of these certifications is BV, Bureau Veritas. The nozzles were tested to American UL standards for applications in archives and electric cables. Tests were performed in conjunction with RENA Industry. As evidence of its philosophy of the complete independence of the Eusebi Group, let's shift our attention to the production of our control panels. These are the electronic heart and brain centers for the company's entire production. They are continuous control systems that detect the presence of fire and gas in a timely manner, and they control the automatic activation of the fire prevention system. Now, on to perhaps the most fascinating part of our presentation, the applications of the entire range of products made by the Eusebi Group. Let's start with industry. Many factories, warehouses, logistics centers, and industrial plants are already protected by the Eusebi Group. Any offshore platforms, refineries, and pipelines. Ansaldo turbines, the Fiat Group, Ferrari paint booths, Renault in Moscow, New Holland, ThyssenKrupp, General Electric, especially their gas turbines, and the plant we are showing you now. Latest generation gas turbine power plant producing 800 megawatts of power. It belongs to Edison and is located in the province of Cosenza in Italy. The Eusebi Group systems protect most power plants in Italy and abroad. The Eusebi Group has a strong presence in civil and military maritime applications. Many passenger ships, cruise ships, and ferries, and numerous oil tankers that today sail the seas around the world are protected by Eusebi fire prevention systems. This includes the Italian shipbuilding colossus Fincantieri. The group based in Ancona has extensive experience with military applications. Our systems are widely installed on the Italian naval fleet as well as on other European fleets. And the Eusebi Group systems also protect the tornadoes in the hangars of the Italian Air Force. Finally, there are applications in the civil sector, again designed to meet specific needs. Installations include airports, hospitals, skyscrapers, and shopping centers. Today, Eusebi fire prevention systems can also be found in the electric power generation plants for Moscow, in the largest Russian steel mills, and in the new offices of the Lombardy region of Italy. The Eusebi Group has been protecting large oil fields throughout the world. From large refineries in the desert to the gas pipelines that wind through the mountains, they all require high-tech fire prevention systems that guarantee immediate operation when needed. An offshore oil platform is not only an enormous economic investment, it is the place where dozens of people live and work. The timely intervention of the fire prevention system whenever needed is of vital importance. the after-sale service that Eusebi guarantees this need. Eusebi service was created in order to guarantee our customers constant control of the proper operation of their fire prevention system. Our company is entrusted with delicate maintenance operations, especially on offshore platforms. And it is for this reason that the company is equipped with mobile container workshops. The Eusebi Group is proud of its almost complete production independence. This is possible thanks to the process of vertical integration the company has undergone by purchasing OML in Milan, who make fire prevention valves and components, and CMV in Vicenza, who currently produce Eusebi cylinders. Here we can see a few of the steps in the production process. Fire and water, the universal battle of the power of water against fire. At the Eusebi Group, our mission is to offer our customer the most advanced instruments so they can be sure of winning this battle at any time, under any conditions. These instruments are the fruit of highly refined technological research, completely independent production in all its phases, and certification to current regulations. The protection we provide reassures each of our customers that their individual needs are met.